Today I'll show you how to install Google Play Store on Windows 11. First, directly turn on Virtual Machine Platform. I have a dedicated video on this. You can watch that also. But this is pretty much the same method. Then directly just go to this link, log in yourself on this GitHub. Then click on this fork and go to Actions tab. Here I can see Build WSA. Click on it and Run Workflow. Type Pico. So this is the best version I think for everyone. And then Run Workflow now. Okay, so it will give you two downloadable options which you can download according to your laptop or PC. Okay, WSA is Windows Subsystem for Android. You have to install that to install or run Android applications on your PC or laptop. Okay, I think it's done now. So I'll directly go to the download section, which is down, and download the X64, that is 64-bit. Okay, there are many videos, so which you have to install WSA first and then install GApps next. Then, but this is the easiest way, I think, because you have Google Apps bundled with this. Okay, so you don't have to install all this. So on this, just a single click, the Play Store will be on your laptop or PC. Okay, I'll directly paste this on my desktop for easier view and extract it here. Okay, let me wait for it to extract. Okay, I think it's done now. After extracting, open the folder and you can see this install file. Install. Okay, then right click, run with PowerShell. Click open here. So it will directly open your PowerShell terminal. Okay, Windows PowerShell is open. So it will directly automatically install and it will take just a few seconds. And then you can directly see a WSA will be popped up on your screen. Windows Subsystem for Android. And also directly after that we can see Play Store on your system. Okay, just continue. It's gonna take few minutes, I guess. Let me tell you, for this you need at least 8 GB of RAM. Okay, I got signed in. I just signed in. Let's check with any other application which we can try and install. Okay, let's go with this Archers 2 Aeromaster. I'll install it now. Let's play and check if it's working or not. Okay, it's working and you have full screen option also. Let's play it for a few seconds. I think it's gonna be interesting to play small games on a big screen. Thank you. Thanks for watching.